Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today I have an exceptional Honda motorcycle to share with you. This is a low-mileage 2014 Honda CBR500R. This bike is available at the date of this video posting here at AlphaCars. You can view the listing on our website via the link at the top of the description below. You can view some awesome professional images of this bike and the pricing if it is still available. Keep in mind too, we offer vehicle transportation, so if you are interested in this Honda but you're not local here in New England, don't sweat it, just reach out to our team and we can give you those shipping options. But this video, we're gonna do a full condition overview and take a look at some of the mechanical items as well. So with all that being said, let's get into it. So I'll start this segment out by saying, if you notice all of these other bikes in our showroom, we're also a Royal Enfield dealer here. So whether you're in the market for the new Royal Enfield or the quality used machine, check out our inventory on our website. You can view all of these and more. We are car and bike enthusiasts here at AlphaCars, so we do take this stuff seriously as it's our passion as well. But let's get into this Honda now. So this machine is in amazing condition. I think this is as close as you're gonna get to what it felt like being in the Honda Power Sports showroom in 2014. This bike is that clean and well kept. No modifications, nothing questionable. The only, I guess, modification or add-on is the phone mount here, which is a quality item that is included with the bike. And as we can see here, there's the 2K written on here. So there's two keys that come with it, which is awesome. And just to confirm, 6304 for mileage. We will start it up a bit later in the video. This color is the pearl white, blue, and red. This is my favorite color of these bikes in this model year. It's striking whether it's parked or you're going down the road. The graphics over the white base color it's just really cool. It's a sharp looking bike. So let's do a cosmetic inspection, I guess you could say. Like, all the fairings are really clean with no major or noticeable scuffs or imperfections. Same thing with the front fender here and the rim. Even this lower sort of chin piece down here, this fairing, you can see that's in great shape as well. Doesn't look like it's been damaged or bottomed out. And the tank, once again, amazing condition. There's little to no scuffing or damage from like riding gear. Leaning on the tank. The seats are in nice shape. It even has the factory plate holder on the back. Like I said, this bike, it's real exceptional that it's all original, not modified, not messed with. A lot of these bikes on the market, they're high mileage and they have questionable modifications. And this one, there's nothing questionable about it. It's very high quality, very well kept, and very well maintained. The previous owner actually used our service department for oil changes and yearly inspections. So we actually just did an oil change on it like 70 miles ago. So this thing's ready to go. Just needs someone to buy it pretty much and then hop on and go. The only blemish is this scuff on the muffler. So a little bit on the end cone here, a little bit right here. But that's it. Other than that scuff on the muffler, I mean, everything else, as we've been seeing, is very, very clean. You probably didn't even notice that scuff on the muffler until I pointed it out. But yeah, like the chain, nothing's corroded or rusty. The chain is well kept, well lubricated. The rims are in nice condition. Tires they do have a little wear on them, but they are perfectly fine for another couple seasons, depending on how often you're gonna ride. I mean, you can see they still have plenty of tread, right? But I think they're both around 50% remaining or a little less, but you can view that specific information, even the remaining brake pad thickness on the website. But you can see like the rear pads here, plenty of meat on those, no corrosion or rust on the rotor or anything like that. It's just a very honest, well-kept bike. So let's start it up here. Comes right into life. Got the front marker lights on there. There's your rear light. Runs super smooth. Sounds great too when you get it on the open road. Let me just show that blinkers work as designed. There's the left side there. And we can put on the high beam, which is that other lens there. And now turning that back off. So everything works great. It also has hazard flashers too. So that's a nice, safe feature. Of course it's cold, not gonna rev it too much or anything like that. Just showing you on the cold start, it runs smooth. There's nothing coming from the exhaust, and it has a very responsive throttle. We did a road test of this bike. It was awesome. I even rode it, and it was exceptional. It's rainy and around 32 degrees out right now. We might be getting some snow today, actually. So otherwise, I would have done this outside and shown you the ride, but we have it in the showroom today, keeping it warm and dry, along with all of the other inventory. But yeah, it's a great running bike and very well cared for. I guess the last thing I'll show you, you can see the forks here. So they are nice and dry. Fork seals are in good shape. So that's always good to see. And yeah, that's all I have for you in this video. If you have any additional questions, reference the listing on our website, alphacars.com. There you can inquire our team if you are interested in this bike and you want to move forward with the purchase. So this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough showroom. Thanks for watching. If it was helpful, leave a like on the video and be sure to subscribe so then you don't miss out on the latest motoring content.